You walk into a dealership thinking you're about to make a responsible decision. You pick something sensible. Not a luxury car. Not a sports car. Just a basic sedan. And then you see the number. $32,000. The bank says you're approved. The salesperson congratulates you. But something in your head starts doing the math. And suddenly one question appears. How is anyone actually affording these cars? Because if you run the real numbers, you'll discover something strange. The average American cannot afford the average car. And once you see the math behind it, you'll never look at a car payment the same way again. You're sitting in a dealership parking lot, not looking at a luxury car, not dreaming about something flashy, just a basic, normal sedan. The kind of car responsible adults are supposed to buy. And the price on the window says $32,000. You start doing the math in your head. Your salary, your rent, your bills, and something feels off. Because the monthly payment they're quoting you, it's higher than your rent was in college. And suddenly you're wondering something nobody talks about out loud. Who is actually buying these cars? Because it doesn't feel like you. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If you understand this, you change the way you think about money forever. The average American cannot afford the average car. Let's simplify the math today. Right now, the average new car price in America is about $48,000. Not luxury, just average. A pickup truck? Around $50,000. A mid-size SUV families buy every day? About $45,000. Even the cheapest new cars start around $25,000 before options. Meanwhile, the median household income in the United States is roughly $75,000. Think about that for a moment. We're asking people to spend half to two-thirds of their annual income on a depreciating asset. Something that loses value the second you drive it off the lot. If that sounds insane, it's because it is. But culture tells you it's normal. Car commercials show happy families driving brand new SUVs. Dealerships congratulate you when you get approved. And suddenly approval starts to feel like success. But approval is not affordability. Those are two completely different things. Financial planners used to follow a simple guideline. Your total vehicle costs should never exceed 20% of your monthly income. Not just the car payment. Everything. Payment, insurance, gas, maintenance. Let's run the numbers. If you make $75,000 per year, your monthly gross income is about $6,250. 20% of that is $1,250. That's your total vehicle budget. Now, let's see what actually happens. Imagine buying that average $48,000 car. You put down $3,000. That leaves $45,000 financed. Interest rates right now? Around 8%. Spread over a 6-year loan, which has quietly become normal. Your monthly payment? About $789. And that's just the loan. Now add the real costs. Insurance, about $200 per month. Gas, roughly $125 per month. Maintenance, average $100 per month. Now, let's total it. Car payment, $789. Insurance, $200. Gas, $125. Maintenance, $100. Total monthly cost, $1,214. Your entire budget was $1,250. And we haven't even talked about registration, parking, or unexpected repairs. You're already maxed out. And that assumes something unrealistic. Zero other debt. The average American household also has credit card debt, student loans, medical expenses. Those payments easily add another $400 to $600 per month. So now that car payment isn't happening in isolation. It's competing with every other obligation in your life. which means the real income needed to comfortably afford that average car. Closer to $85,000 to $90,000 per year. Here's the shocking part. Only about 35% of American households earn that much, which means roughly 2/3 of Americans cannot comfortably afford the average new car. But the cars keep selling. So, what's happening? Let's imagine a household earning $95,000 per year. 2 working adults. Solid middle class. After taxes and deductions, they take home around $5,800 per month. Now subtract the $1,214 car cost. They're left with $4,586. Then real life shows up. Rent, $1,800. Groceries for a family, $900. Childcare, $1,200. Utilities and phones, $300. Student loans, $400. Suddenly something terrifying happens. The math doesn't work. They're out of money before the month even ends. No emergency fund.
No investing. No margin.
This is what financial stress actually feels like. Checking your bank account before buying groceries. Saying no to small things. Lying awake at night doing mental math about bills. Not because you were irresponsible, because you bought a normal car. Here's where things get uncomfortable. Nobody in the car buying process has an incentive to stop you. The dealership earns commission when you buy. The bank earns interest when you borrow. The insurance company earns premiums. Everyone profits when you sign the paperwork. Nobody profits when you walk away. So culture keeps repeating the same message. New cars are normal. Financing is smart. Stretch a little. You deserve it. But here's the truth rich people understand. Here money works for you, not the other way around. And when your paycheck exists just to service debt, money owns you. Real wealth isn't driving the newest car. It's having margin in your life. Margin means you can handle emergencies. You can invest consistently. You can sleep at night. Freedom doesn't come from heated seats. It comes from not worrying about next month's payment. That's the difference between looking wealthy and being financially free. So, here's the uncomfortable option most people ignore. You can choose not to play this game. Drive something older. Buy used. Keep your car longer. Build cash instead of payments. Because the smartest financial move is sometimes the least impressive one. But it's also the one that quietly builds wealth. And the next time you're sitting in a dealership parking lot, staring at that window sticker, remember something simple. That price tag isn't just asking for money. It's asking for years of your life. And the freedom you're willing to trade for it.